Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly video. I'd love to put together some bits and pieces around the Milpitas real estate market, what's going on, let you know what the activity looks like, and maybe a little bit of predictions. What do we see coming in the future? So I want to share with you interest rates today. They've dropped a little bit, so we're seeing them hover below 7%. That's across the board on all the rates. So that's favorable, and predictions is they're going to drop a little bit further. So that should be helpful to many buyers. Stock market's good. It took a small descent today, but it had a great run last week. So we're way above what the margins were back in March of this year. So we're above that, and that is really helpful for a lot of buyers coming into the marketplace. So I want to share with you that was a helpful situation in getting the condo sold in Milpitas that I just sold, 1290 Milkweed Street in Milpitas. It's a high-tech worker. Tremendous down payment. The listing on that one was $1,350,000. We sold just an inch below that, but the seller and buyer were very happy with the negotiation. It took a few days to get to that place, but everybody's settled in. Got the appraisal done today. The buyer's getting a Bank of America loan, and the appraisal came in at value. So we're higher than the other comps in the area due to the fact that this particular unit had $100,000 in builder upgrades. So what I did is I had the seller break down all the upgrades to the property, sent that into the appraiser, and I think that was helpful in getting the appraised value up. So that's kind of the trick of the trade that I use in getting appraisals in at value. So excited about that. That came in at a 15-day marketing to get that property sold, and it should close in a couple weeks. I just closed last Friday, a few days ago, 1625 Serpa Drive in Milpitas. That was listed at $1,998,888. We actually only got one offer, but the seller was happy. He took he and the wife took $1,960,000. It did have a swimming pool in the backyard, and typically a swimming pool, it will add some value to some buyers, but in some other categories of buyers, they just don't want a pool. So we had, I think, limited exposure in that respect, but we had a tremendous amount of open house activity that we had about 3 weeks ago on that property. We had about 70 visitors through in the 2 days, so it certainly didn't stop people coming in to look at the property. So what do I have coming up to some open houses you can mark on your calendar? We have moved the one on 522 South 22nd Street in San Jose. That's that beautiful N-unit townhome, about 1,900 square feet, built in 2014. $1,098,888. That will be September 13th and 14th from 2 to 4, Saturday, Sunday. And then I'm going to have my contractor meet me at 623 Prada Drive in Milpitas this Friday. We're going to get started. The sellers are moving out this Thursday. Price point on that is $1,998,888. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,976 square foot home. We're getting that ready, and that open house will be launched on Saturday, Sunday, September 6th and September 7th from 2 to 4. Then I got a couple coming soon I've talked about for quite a while. 390 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas, 5-bedroom, 3 bath, 1,700 square feet for 1.7, and 479 Heath Street. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 bath, 1,350 square feet. Don't have a price on that and don't know when we're going to bring that to the market. But I did take a listing today. I can't wait to share with you. It's 1109 El Camino Higuera Drive in Milpitas. It will be listed at $2,298,888. It's on a 10,000 square foot lot. It's got a 3-car garage. This is a ranch style 1-story home, about 2,150, close to 2,200 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's going to look amazing when we're done. I'll have the keys next week. We'll get the contractor in, get started with some ideas on we might remove the popcorn ceiling and put some recessed lighting in there, freshen up the paint, and certainly the landscaping. I've already driven by the outside, and we do need to freshen that up. I love curb appeal on a home that's especially over $2 million, but I'm excited about that one, and look for that in the next couple weeks. We should have that one coming to the market soon. So if you want to get your home ready, please give me a call. I'm at 408-945 8988 or Giordano DJ@aol.com. And one thing I want to add before I close, go to my website, debbiegiordano.com. If you go to the Master Brokers video tab, it's the team video, and I can share with you, it's about a 3-minute video of my team that I work with, my transaction coordinator, the stager, the photographer, and the other people that are in that video that I do team up with to make your home look amazing in this market. So give me a call. I look forward to meeting with you. We'll talk about what we need to get ready and get you on this seller's market today. Thank you. Bye-bye.